Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the electronic submission of documents. E-submission is sending a digital copy of your work to markers so they are able to view the work you have done and grade it. This is done through the university's digital learning environment. We use this because it keeps a permanent copy of your work online that cannot be lost and can be accessed at any time by the examiner and yourself, the student. So here we are on the DLE. Once you are on your module page, you should find a link like this one with this icon next to it. That indicates it's an e-submission activity. Click on the link and you will be brought to a page like this. Here you can see the submission status, the grade given, the date the submission is due by and the amount of time remaining, when the submission was last modified, and any comments left by the marker on the submission. You are able to leave your own comments as well that are visible to markers by clicking Comments. This brings up a text box where you can type what you want to say and click Save to post the comment. To upload your submission, just click the Add Submission button here, which will bring you to this page. Here you will see a box with File Submission next to it. These two small icons next to it allow you to either upload a single document or a whole folder. To upload a document, click the left icon and this window should pop up. Next to Attachment, you will see a button that says Choose File. To get the document you want to upload, click this button and a list of files on your device will pop up. Just find the document you need as you normally would and double click it. With your file selected, you can change the title of the document before it's submitted if you need to. To do this, click the text box next to Save As and it will let you change the document's title before it's submitted. If multiple people worked on the document, you can add their names to the submission by clicking the text box next to Author and adding their names. When you're ready to upload, just click Upload this file and wait. Now your file is ready to be submitted. If you ever need to download the files you've submitted to the device you're currently using, you can click this little button here and it will download the file. Before submitting any assignment, you are required to click the declaration box at the top here to confirm that the work you are submitting is your own or your group's and that you haven't plagiarized your work from anyone else. It is important not to plagiarize any of your work, as doing so can result in failing the assignment. With that all done, you're ready to finalize your submission. Just click the Save Changes button here and your assignment will then be submitted. As you can see on the submission status, the assignment has been submitted for grading. It was also submitted quite a time after the deadline. Anything submitted within 24 hours after the deadline has its grade capped to passing only, and anything beyond that is automatically failed. So it's really important to meet deadlines. If you need to make any adjustments to your submission, you can click the Edit Submission button here and it will bring you back to the File Submission screen. To edit the file you've submitted, just click on it in the File Submissions box and you can make any adjustments to it or delete it by clicking Delete at the top. To create a folder to group your files, you click this folder icon here. Create a name for it and you can have multiple files organized in a folder. Click on the three dots at the bottom right of a folder in order to edit or delete it. Just remember to re-upload your files if you're updating your work. The last thing to note is your submissions will be given a Turnitin score on the submission status page. Turnitin is a program that checks the originality of your work compared to other submissions, online articles and more. This can be used to help develop your referencing skills, but also can be used to spot plagiarism. A high score could indicate some of your work may be plagiarized. It is normal that you will get a score made from your references and other similarities in subjects being covered, so you shouldn't try to get a score of 0.